Wow, look at this beautiful building.
Wow, it's so beautiful. One thing that I really think important is,
Isn't it nice and isn't it cool? Look at this view. Hello everyone, this is K Housing and my name is Emily. I know to find good place for staying in Korea is really hard, but there is a lot of ways to live alone or to live together. Of course, when you live together, it's more cheaper. So there is some way to live together. For example, common places, co-housing, and so on. So today I'm gonna show you first house where you can stay in Korea. It is near to the Gangnam Hakdong station, and you need just 10 minutes to come here. Let's go. Let's see. Wow, look at this beautiful building. The name of this building is Terrace 107. You can see that there is a lot of terraces, and of course the name is obvious. Here is the password so we can know that here is really safe. The space is really nice. It's made by the concrete. Here is the stairs, and we can see that here is elevator. Let's go up, follow me.
wow, wow, so cute and cozy. Wow, it's so cool. I will take off my clothes because it's really hot here. First thing that I saw, this big wardrobe. You know, the girls have a lot of clothes, so they need some really big wardrobe, and you can see that it is really nice and big. You can put your small clothes here. Yeah, so cool. Yes. The next thing that we can see, the bed. This is really important for us, for all people. So here we also have a TV. So when you are laying on the bed, eating your popcorn and watching the Netflix, it's really nice. And also here is some small cabinet where you can put your books, clothes, some nice candle, you know. And here is a refrigerator. It's really cool that you will have your own refrigerator in your room. So here also we have a table. You can drink your coffee, tea, you can enjoy your time, do your homeworks. Great. And also we can see that here is a really small details that is important for the cozy place. And the most important here is the air condition, because it's really important in the house that you have to be warm or cold in the summer. So one thing that I really think important is the bell. So you will have your own bell from the first floor if your guests will come here, so you can see, or let's say the person who will deliver your things. It's really cool. The next that we are gonna see is the bathroom. Let's go in. Wow, you have to change your things. It's really cute and important. It's small, but it's really clean and it's really nice. It's white and it's really cool, because in Korea you wouldn't have your own mirror, but here you can have your own mirror. You can put here some clothes to make your makeup or other things. And here you can put your towel. Here is really small and cute terrace for your own, enjoying your morning with a cup of tea, with a cup of coffee, and watching to the panoramic window with a great view. I told about a lot of advantages, but there is one more thing that I really like, and this is the most highlight thing in this house is, come, I will show to you. This view, look at this amazing view. Isn't it nice and isn't it cool? Look at this view. You can really enjoy your morning, evening with this dinner or your coffee, watching to this amazing view. And do you know what is the price of this house? The price for this house is 700,000 won for the deposit and 700,000 won for the room itself. Also, you have utility fee 100,000 won. And I think for the Gangnam and for this room, it is really nice price. But for someone, it can be expensive. So the next common house that I'm gonna show to you is way cheaper than this one. So let's go to the next house.